प्रशांत किशोर जी का एक इंटरव्यू था करण थापर जी के साथ और हर इंटरव्यू में वो दावा करते हैं कि बीजेपी जो है 300 प्लस सीटें लेकर आ रही है। इन्होंने सोचा कि चलो इस शो में भी जाते हैं और सोचा कि यहाँ भी जो है गोदी पत्रकार, गोदी एंकर मिलेंगे, लेकिन ऐसा नहीं हुआ। जब करण थापर जी ने तीखे सवाल पूछे, तो प्रशांत किशोर जी पानी पीने पे मजबूर हो गए। हालाँकि ये सवाल तीखे नहीं थे। जो सवाल उसने पूछे थे प्रशांत किशोर जी से, उन्होंने पूछा कि आप कह रहे हैं कि बीजेपी 300 प्लस सीटें लेकर आएँगी, लेकिन आपने ये भी कहा था कि हिमाचल में पूरी तरह से साफ हो जाएगी कांग्रेस। तेलंगाना में कहा था कि बीआरएस जीतेगी। प्रशांत किशोर जी उखड़ गए और कहने लगे कि आप हमें वो वीडियो दिखाइए, कहाँ पे ऐसा हमने बोला है। लेकिन आप देख रहे होंगे आज कि सोशल मीडिया पे उनके ट्वीट्स और उनके जो इंटरव्यू हैं, वो वायरल हो रहे हैं और आज जो है वो ट्रेंडिंग में चल रहे हैं प्रशांत किशोर जी।
Let me put this to you. How confident are you of this?
As confident as I could be.
What does that
I
mean?
have ever been.
I'll tell you why
Listen, Karan, I'm not in the business
No.
of predicting
I'll
elections
tell you why I
in
asked
my
that
life.
question. I'll tell you why I asked that question. How confident are you? Because in May 2022, you predicted that Congress would be routed in Himachal. It won. In September
Did I?
2023, yes,
Did
you
I?
did. You're on record.
Wait, where?
You're on record. We've got it.
No, but this is your last time also. You are always trying to create a hypothesis and trying to put it on the guest side.
No, I'm not creating a hypothesis.
Show me a video, Karan. Now it's because you have said it something.
Yes, absolutely.
You are not dealing with some spokesperson of a party. If you show me a video of me telling that Congress will be routed in Himachal, a video
in May 2022.
Hear me out. If you show me, I will quit the job, or you apologize publicly on the camera.
I have.
Show me the video where I've said that Congress will be routed in Himachal.
Does it have to be
on video?
Just a second. Does it have to
Hear
be
me
video?
out. Don't try
hang on a
to
second.
pin
I'm
down
not.
things.
Hang on a
No,
second.
I'm not letting you go out of this. No, I'm not letting you go out of
You
this.
don't have to let me get out of it.
No, you see when
Can I finish?
No, you cannot. You cannot.
Hang on a second.
When you are interviewing a person and you take great pride in being factual.
I am being factual.
Stick to the fact.
You haven't even let me finish.
Show me the video. Release it on the wire where Prashant Kishore has said that Congress
Does it have to be a video?
Yes.
Why can't it be something you said to a newspaper?
I don't know. Newspaper can write anything. You can write anything. Show me where I've said this. Show me where
there are loads of things that are written by newspapers.
I don't count.
And it has been a
No, you can't. I go from here, and what you write in your news publication is none of my business. What I say, show me that words. If I have said that Congress will be routed in Himachal in 2022, I am saying on camera, on record, that I quit what I do. But if you are wrong and trying to put your perception in my as my statement, then please be man enough to say sorry about it.
Forgive me. I am always man enough to let me finish now. Let me finish without your raising your voice. Let me finish without your interrupting me.
You are not going to intimidate me.
Interrupting me. I am always man enough to accept my mistake.
You have made a mistake
frequently.
You have already made a mistake.
However, I am quoting what has been
you have made a mistake
and what has been
you have made a mistake.
I have not made a mistake.
You have made a mistake.
I am quoting what has been in newspapers and on websites, and I'll repeat what they said. In May 2022, you are quoted as having said Congress will be routed in Himachal. In September 2023, you are quoted as having said BRS would win Telangana, and it did not. Those are the reasons why I said, how confident are you this time round? Because according to newspapers, according to websites, you were wrong on that occasion. You can raise your voice, so can I.
It doesn't
serve any purpose.
Please raise.
I'm not raising it.
Please raise.
And let me add on. I am never embarrassed in accepting a mistake.
Do not try to intimidate me.
But I have not in this instance made a mistake.
Do not try to intimidate me.
I'm not trying to
You will not be able to
You are trying to intimidate me.
और दूसरा इंटरव्यू जो है समिता प्रकाश और कपिल सिब्बल जी का ANI पे पॉडकास्ट था, वो भी जो है आज ट्रेंडिंग में चल रहा है। वहाँ पे भी समिता प्रकाश जो है कोशिश कर रही थी जो कपिल सिब्बल को लपेटे में लेने का, लेकिन जो है कपिल सिब्बल उन पे भारी पड़ गए।
The thing which came out during these elections is that speech by Dr. Manmohan Singh, in which he said that Muslims have the first right on resources.
Not true. Factually incorrect. Please read the speech.
He did say that. He said, and he
he said Dalits. One second. He talked of all the marginalized.
Particularly Muslims.
No. So they didn't say only Muslims. Particularly means that all of them, particularly, why? Because they are below the scheduled tribes also.
No,
If you look,
where?
yes, you look at data. I'm
Which
sorry.
data?
You take any data.
No, which
Go
data?
to the official data. Official data.
They are not below the Dalits.
You are wrong.
Okay, you want to, sir, you want to talk about
You
the
are
Sajja
wrong.
Committee report or the Ranganath Mission?
No, I don't want to talk of any report. Look at the official website of when Dr. Manmohan Singh made that statement. You go, you check it up, and then you come and ask.
That's why I'm asking you. They are not below the Dalits. There's been no survey done.
There has been a survey done. I disagree with you, but I can give you the data later.
So what has happened is that the government at that time went with the Ranganath
You're
Mishra committee
unnecessarily
report.
going into issues which Dr. Manmohan Singh didn't talk about, and I don't want to carry this dialogue forward
were in
because
the-
I am part of that government.
Yeah.
I know Dr. Manmohan Singh, and there were no first priority given to the Muslim community in this country.
So-
Factually speaking.
You were in the cabinet, which is why I'm asking you.
Therefore, I'm
Because
telling
it
you.
it was there, and that's why they got it implemented in Andhra Pradesh
This is what I am telling you.
as a model.
One second. Andhra Pradesh was a decision of the legislature which was struck down by the court.
But-
Right? That was on reservation. You're again, see, I'm sorry.
Resources is
Resources is
reservation.
not reservation. Again, conceptually you're wrong.
No, when you're saying reservation,
You think
what
that
else?
Dalits reservation under the constitution is resources?
So
Just
when-
let's
when
look
you
at
say reservation,
one second. Let me answer your question.
Sure.
Right? Article 14 and Article 15 and 16 have reservation for whom? Backward community, scheduled castes and scheduled tribes. Is that distribution of resources?
so when you are talking about they have the first right of
One
resources
second. No, you are now-
because of Muslims.
You are changing the subject. You talked about Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh talked of reservation. Didn't talk of resources.
How, when you're talking about reservation, you're talking about getting the first right.
Wrong.
Right?
That means that the first right goes to Dalits under the constitution. First right goes to scheduled tribes under the constitution. First right goes to backward.
Please tell me,
Of
because
course
that's
not.
what Dr. Manmohan Singh said.
Again,
They have the first
now
right of
you are
resources.
first misinterpreting what Dr. Manmohan Singh, and then you are equating reservation with resources, which is factually incorrect, conceptually incorrect.
On both, it was Muslims who were supposed to get it.
Who
Because
said
as
that?
per-
Which resources did Muslims get? They got it.
Whether they got it or not, he said they
Oh,
have
I
the
see.
right.
So
right?
you say for 10 years, Dr. Manmohan Singh did not do what you say that what Modi says he did.
Because,
Hold on. He did not do it.
I'm not interpreting
You just said
Modi
it.
ji.
You just said
what
it.
I'm saying is, no, I didn't say that
You just
they.
said that what he didn't do it. It was a statement, but he didn't do it.
So what I'm saying to you is that Dr. Manmohan Singh said this and Prime Minister Modi picked it up. I'm not saying that what Prime Minister Modi
So
said
therefore,
that they have done it.
Prime Minister Modi is making political capital out of a factual statement
It's a-
that wasn't there.
It is.
That one second. In fact, there are two statements. One statement is priority of resources. The other statement is assets. Amit Shah ji is saying that the assets of the country will first go to Muslims, which is a blatantly false statement. Blatantly false statement. Dr. Manmohan Singh never talked of assets. You want me to give you that statement of Amit Shah?
Two separate issues. One was on Prime Minister Singh talking about resources. The manifesto saying assets.
Which manifesto says assets?
The Congress manifesto
Show me.
says that we believe now.
Show me. You
Again,
just read it for me.
When the Congress
Please,
manifesto,
once you make that
the
statement.
interpretation of that.
No. Now you have contradicted yourself. You said Congress manifesto says it. Now you say interpretation.
So, yes, because, no, 1 minute. According to Chidambaram ji, he says CAA को हम हटा देंगे.
Now don't go to CA. We'll come to CA.
No,
First,
one
let's
minute.
stick
No,
to
when
that
you're
topic.
talking about the manifesto.
Miss, you can't be interviewing me and changing topics. You
Why-
first
why
told
not?
me. You just said
Why not?
Congress manifesto says
Manifesto
assets.
talks about equitable distribution.
Of what?
I don't have
Of what?
it at present.
Of assets.
Of equitable exact word.
One second.
I don't
I'll tell you the
have.
words. Article 39 of the Constitution, 39B says, the resources of the community shall be so distributed as to subserve the common good. This is what the manifesto says. Tell me what's wrong
So
with it.
now, when you say that interpretation is different.
No. Tell me what's wrong
So-
with this. This is the Constitution.
Though that's fine. Am I arguing about the Constitution? What I'm saying is that when the Congress picks it up, then it's equal game for the
So if the
BJP to
Congress
pick it
picks up words of the Constitution, it is wrong.
So what they have said, what Prime Minister Modi said,
Prime
and
Minister
then-
Modi is used to making statements which are far away from the truth. Prime Minister Modi also said that the Mangal Sutra of Hindu women will be given over and the assets will be taken and given to those who produce more children.
All right.
Please answer that.
Yeah, I will.
Why did he say that?
So when
Is that the truth?
So let me answer this. What the BJP says is that when he was talking to the audience, this is off the record, that briefing that we have, it's not been explained on. Now, what they say is that when Rahul Gandhi says sabka forensic audit hoga to see who has how much wealth, which caste has or which community or which grouping.
If you
so
ask-
let me just
if you
complete.
ask me
You
one,
asked
sorry,
me
sorry,
something,
okay.
right? So who has wealth, and depending on jitni abadi utna hak, it goes off to those people. Now the point is that when you talk about equitable distribution of wealth, when in a political speech, when you're talking to rural women, when you are talking to rural men, rural women से आप क्या बात करोगे? उनके पास क्या है resources? उनके पास, they don't have access to resources, right? It's the men in the family who have assets and access to resources. The women only have Stridhan. The women only have their Mangal Sutra and the gold that they wear. So when you say that आपका जायजा लिया जाएगा कि तुम्हारे पास है कितना, how much land do you have, how many houses, how many scooters, how many tractors, how much borewell, then women के पास, तुम्हारे
Where
पास
is
क्या
all that in the
है?
manifesto?
So when
Where is all
again,
that
it
in
is
the
an
manifesto?
interpretation which
So
I'm saying
you can
again.
interpret anything, like I can interpret your questions as
So
saying that
no,
you are
you
asking
are
me
asking
questions.
me that why did the president, why did the Prime Minister say
The Prime
this?
Minister is saying this because he wants votes on the basis of falsehood.
Okay.
ये दोनों इंटरव्यू के ऊपर जो है, विवेक अग्निहोत्री, जो आपको पता है कि कुछ फिल्में बनाए हैं, उन्होंने प्रोपेगेंडा फिल्में बनाई हैं बीजेपी के लिए, और उन्होंने ऐसी बहुत सारी प्रोपेगेंडा फिल्में भी बनाई हैं। उनका एक ट्वीट सामने आया है, उन्होंने ट्वीट करके कहा, इस ट्वीट में देखिए, इन्होंने कहा है कि टॉकिंग टू मच टू द मीडिया विल इवेंचुअली इंश्योर योर डाउनफॉल. फर्स्ट, यू कांट रिमेंबर ऑल द लाइज यू हैव अटर्ड इन द पास्ट. Secondly, the media's only rule is to somehow destroy old heroes and create new ones. इन्होंने कहा, बेसिकली इनको कहा है, प्रशांत किशोर जी को हरका रहे हैं और कह रहे हैं कि पहले अपने पिछले झूठ को साफ कर लेते, बिना तथ्यों के चले गए आप. और दूसरा जो पॉडकास्ट था कपिल सिब्बल और समिता प्रकाश के बीच, उनके ऊपर जो है विवेक अग्निहोत्री का जो ट्वीट है, उसमें उन्होंने दूसरे पार्ट में लिखा है कि ऑन द अदर हैंड देयर वाज अ रीसेंट पॉडकास्ट विद कपिल सिब्बल इन विच द पॉडकास्टर स्टार्टेड विथ द इंटेंशन टू डिस्ट्रॉय सिब्बल बट एंडेड अप फम्बलिंग, स्टैमरिंग एंड गेटिंग एक्सपोज्ड हिमसेल्फ. सरप्राइजिंग दिख के आ रहा है कि विवेक अग्निहोत्री जी इस तरह के ट्वीट कर रहे हैं. धन्यवाद, नमस्कार दोस्तों.